Samsung is gearing up for the release of its upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and early hints suggest exciting features. The focus is on AI advancements and new camera capabilities. While the core specifications, including the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, remain largely similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, there are notable improvements. Expectations include a 5,000 mAh battery, with RAM options of 8 gigs or 12 gigs based on storage capacity. Rumors hint at a potential 2 TB storage variant, a significant departure from recent Galaxy phones lacking expandable storage. The display, a 6.8-inch, 3088 x 1440 AMOLED panel, may see a boost with a 144 Hz refresh rate compared to its predecessor's 120 Hz. The Ultra model continues to feature the S Pen for note-taking and doodling. The standout upgrade comes in the camera department. Although maintaining the 200-megapixel main sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide from the S23 Ultra, the 10x zoom camera is rumored to shift to a 5x zoom. However, a higher 50-megapixel sensor resolution is expected to enhance overall image quality, possibly compensating through clever pixel binning. A significant innovation lies in built-in artificial intelligence with potential applications like real-time language translation during calls and text compression. Rumors suggest these AI features might be behind a paywall. Satellite communications are confirmed for Galaxy smartphones, likely including the S24 Ultra. This feature could serve for emergencies in areas without cellular reception, allowing SMS messages and low-resolution image transmission. Despite concerns about the reduction in zoom specifications, the S24 Ultra appears poised to be a substantial update, especially with the integration of AI features. As the successor to the highly regarded S23 Ultra, a few well-considered enhancements could secure glowing reviews. The anticipated unveiling in January promises further insights into Samsung's latest flagship offering. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.